If you want to add IDM in Chrome as an extension, this video is going to walk you through the process step by step in a simple, beginner-friendly way. Whether you're trying to make your downloads easier to manage, or you just want IDM to work smoothly inside Chrome, I'll show you exactly what to do. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the Chrome browser because the extension will need to be added directly through Chrome's extension system. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This is where Chrome keeps its main settings and tools. From the menu, hover over or click Extensions, then select Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official Chrome Web Store, which is the safest place to install browser extensions. It's always a good idea to use the official store so you know you're downloading the real version of the extension and not something unofficial. Now that you're in the Chrome Web Store, use the search bar at the top to type IDM. Press Enter or click the search icon, and Chrome will show you a list of results. Look for the extension named IDM Download Manager Extension. That's the one you want to select. Take a second to make sure the name matches before you continue. Once you've found the extension, click on it to open the full listing. Here you can usually see details, ratings, and permissions. After reviewing it, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then ask you to confirm the installation and show you the permissions the extension needs. This is normal because extensions often need access in order to work properly with downloads. To continue, click Add Extension. Chrome will now install it automatically. In just a few seconds, the extension should be added to your browser. You may notice an icon appear in the toolbar, or you may need to click the puzzle piece icon to pin it for easier access later. At this point, the IDM extension is installed in Chrome, and you can start using it according to your setup. If you don't see it right away, just check your extensions menu and pin it to the toolbar so it's visible whenever you need it. That makes it much easier to manage. And that's it. You've now learned how to add IDM in Chrome as an extension in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful software and browser guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.